This question asks us to approximate KEQ for this addition reaction. To do that, we need to identify the bases on either side of the equilibrium. On the reagent side, we have the deprotonated alkyne, and on the product side, we have a deprotonated alcohol. Next, we need to consider the hypothetical conjugate acids for each of these bases. For the alkyne base, this hypothetical conjugate acid would be a protonated alkyne. And for the alkoxide, the hypothetical conjugate acid would be an alcohol. Next, we need to consider the pKa's for these hypothetical conjugate acids. pKa of an alcohol is approximately 16. pKa of an alkyne is approximately 25. Using these pKa's, we can plug them into the KEQ equation to approximate a KEQ for this question, for this reaction. Our KEQ equation is 10 to the product pKa minus the reagent pKa. So that would be 10 to the 25 minus 16. So an approximate KEQ for this reaction would be 10 to the 9th. This is a value greater than 1, much greater than 1, so we would expect this equilibrium to be favored towards the products.